Y'all heard the music. Y'all know what time it is. It's me, your girl, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance, aka Candle News Network. Happy Monday. Welcome to a whole new week. So I want to go over what sales Bath and Body Works is having. And oh my goodness, the test stores got the new out of control. So we're going to talk about that as well. First thing I want to talk about is the antibacterial hand spray sale. Man, these sales keep coming back to back, okay? They having these sales back to back. To be honest, we do need to make sure we're sanitizing our hands. So having sales on hand sanitizers, I do not complain about, because hand sanitizers are definitely a necessity these days in time with Miss Rona going around. So yeah, they have that sale going on today. If I had to make any recommendations for y'all, of course, I'm recommending the Blue Agave Oasis, also Sun Drenched Linen, also what is it? Sunwash Citrus is another one as well. Here is going buy 3 get 2 free if you want to take advantage of that. You know, over the weekend they had the lotion sale. I haven't seen so many sales with Bath and Body Works when it came to body care in a minute. Like all these little surprise pop-up sales. They normally don't do that except for the holiday time. So this should be very interesting to see how this year goes, if they get more money made off promotions than anything else. So we'll see. Target Home Styles did share some things on her IG. And if you don't follow her, definitely follow her. I'll leave all her information in the description bar below. But there's a soap holder the soap holder, foaming soap holder that's coming out with the pineapples and all that. I think this is super cute. It's $18.95. To me, that's a little bit pricey, but I think I would pay it for my bathroom. And these are the single wick holders. Another look at the single wick candle holders. I believe she said they're priced at $29.95. That's a little steep for a single wick candle holder. However, if you got a 20% off coupon, go for it. I'm going for it anyway. I want this for my bathroom. I think it'll look really cute. I don't know. I'm just a sucker. They get me all the time. Now, Pretty Magical Things at the test store showing us all kind of good, y'all. First thing is the gingham lotion now has a pump. Game changing. I hope they do this with every lotion they have. Give them a pump. And she said there's no price increase. She also shared with us the new little chick that is the wallflower plug-in for Easter. If you're not following Pretty Magical Things, you need to be. I'll leave all her information below. Again, anybody I mention here, they're always in the description bar. Go follow them, let them know I sent you. And she's at a test store. That means new. She is on it and knows all about it. So definitely go and follow her. This is the visor clip, though. This is one of the new visor clips coming out. Then right here, she showed us some new wallflower plugins. Y'all, that little sea horn, is that what it's called? A sea horn? A sea something? That thing coming with me. That one coming with me. I need that one, period. Like the turtle one, it's cute, but they come out with these turtles every year. Oh, it's called a seahorse. That's what it is. The seahorse coming with me. She got to come with me. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. It goes with my whole mermaid theme. I need 3 of those. So when y'all see me with 3 of those, mind your business. Now, there's some new Pocketbac holders. I love this one. This is the doctor or nurse one. It could be either one. It's $12.95. I think that's a really good price for all the detailing that it offers. Not that is a good price for a Pocketbac holder, but because it has so much details. Now, the one that I'm going to be getting, I cannot wait for it to hit stores, is this one. She got her lashes on. She got her mask on. She doing the dang on thing. This is my girl. This is my girl. It's one of my favorite colors. Y'all know I like them turquoisey and stuff like that. So yeah, she's $12.95, but she's definitely worth it. Like, she's worth it. She's worth it. I love the mask, though. The mask is everything. It looks like it's rubbery. So yeah, I'm getting that. And did we forget about Oasis? Hello, the new men's collection. Yeah, Oasis is going to be dropping soon. It is at her test store. The full line is out there and being sold right now. I'm a little bit jealous. I wish we had a little test store. Can we get a little test store over here? Because, man, they get all the new jumping off so quick. But Yeah, the Oasis line, I think the packaging is really cute and I do like the smell of it, even though it got coconut in it. But we're going to keep it moving along. Now, the unscented antibacterial pocket bags are out. I haven't seen them yet, but again, she's at a test store. That's probably why she's seen it first. But unscented, so for the people that don't do scents or they have people that are very sensitive to scents, this will work perfect for you. Bath and Body Works knows how to get in everyone's bag. You heard? It don't matter who. It don't matter. Now, Life Inside the Page Daily Finds shared this. Yeah, they don't just sell Neutrogena as some Bath and Body Works. They have Boscia and Acure. Now, I seen in her comments that one person was like, well, they did this all the time at the flagship stores, selling third-party vendors. So yeah, some stores will be set up like the old school flagship stores, I guess, and have third party vendors. My thing is, I want to know what that costs do. It's cool and all to see this stuff, but are they charging the same price that I can go and get it at Walmart and Target? But it's good to see, that if you wanted to buy everything at one location, you can. And they might charge a convenience fee. Who knows? If you know, definitely let us know in the comments below if you live at a store that's doing this right now. I'm not by a store that's doing this, so I have no idea what this is about. But if you do live there, definitely let us know in the comments. Now, speaking of Neutrogena, I have Neutrogena versus Bath and Body Works in a versus. Yes, it's the Hydro Boost versus the Water Body Mask. So if you missed that video, you definitely need to go check it out. I do want to do more education on here and drugstore alternatives, and this was a great way to get started. Now, I want to update y'all on one Bath and Body Works in this area that's not going to be open to we don't know when, is the location in the Lakeline Mall. From the storms, they have extensive pipe damage. Pipes bursted everywhere in the mall. Like, it's not just Bath and Body Works that was affected. A lot of stores in Lakeline Mall was affected. I don't even know if they're opening the mall at this point. I don't know. But the Bath and Body Works is closed. It's closed. They have a lot of damage. They don't know when it's going to be opening. And it's kind of sad because it's one of the pretty white barns too. Like, it's one of them pretty stores. Y'all remember when I took y'all to the Lakeline Mall? So I'm like, oh man, when I heard that from one of the managers, I was like, dang it. But hopefully everything will get better real soon. I'm going to end it with this. Christian wanted me to take a picture of him yesterday, playing outside, saying, look, guys, I'm back in the open. So he wanted us to take a picture of him playing on the outdoors. He has marker on his face. He does not care. He's giving us that fake smile, but he wanted everyone to know he is back outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And DJ, play my music.